Hey guys, in today's video I'll be explaining to you how you can use your Christmas keys, how you can actually get yourself some Christmas keys as well as use them. So let's actually open up my inventory. I have 3 Christmas keys and I can open the Christmas rift chest. I also have 10 of these presents or 110 presents, and as you guys can see, you can unbox the Christmas keys inside of this present. So if I open all these presents, I'll be able to get myself some Christmas keys. Let's see if we got any. We got a golden key. We didn't get a single Christmas key. Oh wait, we got 2 Christmas keys. 4. We got 4 Christmas keys. So basically we got 4 Christmas keys, as well as a Christmas present that you can just collect. And you can find the Christmas chest if you jump up to the top. So basically what you're gonna do is to jump up to the top, and there is a lot of these islands which will spawn a chest. Come on, make it. Bang. All the way up, all the way up, all the way up. Can we make it? Oh no. So just like the royal key opens the royal chest spawns on top of the island, like the bigger islands. You can see there's like bigger islands on next to the small ones, like that one over there. You can see that one is slightly bigger, and if you land on this island, you can see there is a bunch of stuff happening. But basically what you need to find is a slightly larger island, and it's going to be random. It's basically going to be random. The chest will not spawn every single time. For example, you see that island over there. There is a possibility that the chest could be over there, and so you just basically have to keep checking. You have to keep checking these islands if you want to use your Christmas keys, just like that one. Oh, okay, peppermint chest. So I can unbox the peppermint chest. As you guys can see, this is the peppermint chest, peppermint island, and it requires a Christmas key to unbox. I'm not really sure what I'm going to get out of this, but I'm just gonna use my keys. I'm not really a huge bubblegum simulator no life, so let's see. I'm just gonna use my keys over here. I guess there is better chests. I guess there's better chests than the peppermint chest. Maybe there is a worse one, that maybe there's better ones. But basically, we got a royal key out of this. What else? A lot of potions. Festive elixir. Yeah, so the best thing that we can actually get is the festive elixir out of this box. How do I disable my bubblegum? You have to go to your settings, right? Hide bubbles, okay. Perfect. Luckily we found the island, because the island will be gone in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes the island will be gone, and then you have to find another one of these islands. I'm not really sure if you have to server hop or you can just get them in the same server, back to back. This is basically how you can get yourself the chest to open up, and you gotta keep finding these chests. That's all you gotta do. I hope this video helped you out, and like and subscribe as always.